scale and harmony chart gives a heads-up display to view everything that fits inside a scale. This is the core matrix of how scales, arpeggios, and chords make up a song. A scale can be broken down to their octave mode degrees. Let's see how this can be demonstrated with Guitar Analyzer software. Start by selecting Scale Modes in the Primary and Reset drop-down menu. Let's select the key of G and select Key Signature. The Scale Modes pop-up menu is now enabled and will select Major Modes. The Degree pop-up menu below the Key menu is now enabled. We'll first select the second degree. Notice the secondary pop-up menu aligns to the second degree A Dorian column. Let's again select the fifth degree, which is the D Mixolydian scale mode of the G major scale. Two new formula rows appear above the G major formula starting at the fifth interval and the D note. The formula with the steps above the G major formula is now the D Mixolydian mode. The G root node image with a square has now moved to the D on the guitar fretboard. You can also select Colored in the display menu to better understand octave separation and unison notes. We will change back to the note default color, green. The formula at the top without the steps is the unselected secondary formula. The relationship chart will update with all the secondary match scales and arpeggios to each degree of the major scale. I will cover more on this later in the demo. We will now select a standard fingering type, 2 octave plus 2. Then we'll select position 6 for the root note fingering. Only the notes for that fingering will display. Notice the second octave fingering checkbox is disabled because it's out of range on the guitar fretboard. On the bottom left corner of the window, the Notes pop-up menu can be selected to display the formula intervals. The guitar fretboard notes are now replaced with the interval formulas. Let's go to the secondary pop-up menu that is a filter to the secondary select display matches. We'll select all types to see both the scales and arpeggio matches. On the relationship chart, we will scroll down to see all the matches to the fifth degree and also to all the other mode degrees of the major scale. With the secondary pop-up menu now lined up to the fifth degree Mixolydian mode column, let's look at all the matches, and the all types list is long. With the scales on top, let's select the major pentatonic MP2. The guitar fretboard now displays bordered notes for the secondary scale. We'll select another pentatonic scale. This is a hybrid scale, major 3 pentatonic, M3P1. Now we'll change from scales to select a major arpeggio. Then let's select a compound interval arpeggio, dominant 13th. In the secondary formula, the compound intervals and steps are displayed. Their lower octave intervals are now displaying in turquoise blue. Select the compound checkboxes for the strings 3, 2, and 1. Then select compound to display the compound intervals for those selected strings. The fingering second octave intervals now change to bordered compound intervals. Interval 4 turns to compound bordered 11, 6 to compound bordered 13, and 2 to compound bordered 9.